I'm going to show you how to install the DK Bongos into your PC for use with the GameCube emulator Dolphin. In order to use these bongos, you're going to need an adapter. Now this is the adapter that I'm using. Take a look at it. It says GameCube controller adapter Mayflash. This particular controller adapter has 4 GameCube controller inputs on the front, and there's a little dot above each input. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, indicating the player number. In the back, there's a switch. The switch says, obviously, PC and Wii U. And then there's a cable, and there's 2 USB plugs coming out of it. Now, the gray USB plug, it transmits power for the rumble feature. And the black USB plug is the one that you are going to use to simply plug in the adapter for non-rumble features. Here's the setup in order to plug everything into your computer. First of all, on the back, have the switch set to Wii U, not PC. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Have the switch set to Wii U. Do not set it to PC. I know this might sound like an error, but it is not. This is the only way it's going to end up working with Dolphin. In the front, port 1, get your bongo controller and plug it into port 1. And then plug the black USB, into your computer. So plug everything in, like I said, black USB into your computer, bongos port 1, switch set to the Wii U setting. In order for the GameCube controller adapter to work, we need to install a special driver. And this driver is installed by using a program called Zadgid. This is the Zadgid homepage, and the web address for this is this: zadgid.akeo.ie. So go to that website and scroll down a little bit, and there is the program. Download it to your computer. At this point, the bongos should be plugged into the GameCube adapter. That should be plugged into your computer, and Zadgid should be on your computer, ready to run. Now, open Zadig, click yes. Over here on Options, give it a click, select List All Devices. Scroll down on this menu and select WUP-028. WUP-028. Give it a click. Make sure that this window here reads Win USB. If it doesn't, move these arrows up or down so that Win USB is there. Make a note of the USB ID. In this case, it's 0578-0337. Yours should be the same. 0578-0337. Click Replace Driver, and yes. click close. Close this window. Now open Dolphin. With Dolphin open, click Controllers. The controller settings window will appear. On port 1, click this pull-down menu and select GameCube adapter for Wii U. It's very important you select that and not DK Bongos. GameCube adapter for Wii U. Give it a click. And then press close. The drums are all ready to go, and the microphone will now work. Now I will demonstrate that it works. I'm going to open up Donkey Konga. The sound is turned off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to snap my fingers instead of clapping my hands because one hand is holding the phone or the camera or whatever you want to call it. So it says press start. I'm going to press start. You see that this drum moves forward, this drum moves back. Select an event, select a difficulty, select a song, play with the bongos, okay. Now remember, I'm going to snap instead of clap here. As you can see, it works perfectly. Enjoy.